made a bail appeal to Judge Carter. It did not go our way.
Sean Diddy Combs' attorney, Mark Agnifilo, withdrew from representing him in a bail hearing after prosecutors presented strong evidence of alleged witness tampering. A leaked call between Diddy and his son, Christian Combs, is said to have played a crucial role in this decision. The details of the call have seriously weakened Diddy's chances of securing bail. What did Diddy say during the call, and how damaging is this new evidence?
Why is that not a fair outcome?
What he did here is on a magnitude of unlike anybody else you could imagine.
Diddy's legal team faces significant challenges after his bail was denied for the third time, now compounded by an additional charge of witness tampering. Call records from the Metropolitan Detention Center, where Diddy is being held, reportedly show that he attempted to contact witnesses directly and enlisted others outside to act on his behalf. During the bail hearing, the judge ruled that Diddy poses a threat to both the public and the witnesses, further complicating his legal fight.
Do not entertain none of this nonsense and nothing over the phone. I'm gonna need you to get rid of all the leftover pizza boxes.
The what?
All the boxes left over from the pizza. All the boxes.
Okay.
Diddy is reportedly determined to secure his release from jail, knowing that once the witnesses in his case testify, his chances of freedom could be gone for good. A leaked document outlining his proposed bail package revealed he was willing to pay $50 million for his release. Despite surrendering his and his family's passports to the court, concerns that Diddy might have a hidden second passport led the judge to deny his bail request, keeping him behind bars.
But I have all the confidence in the world and the federal court in the state of New York that they will remain keeping Diddy under no bond and that all of the victims in this case will be able to proceed.
Diddy's bail was denied, and he will remain in federal custody until his trial, scheduled for May 2025. The decision came after a call recording surfaced revealing conversations between Diddy and his son. The recording provided crucial evidence that heavily influenced the court's ruling.
Searches, agents seize evidence of the crimes charged in this indictment. They seize firearms and ammunition, including 3 defaced AR-15s and a large-capacity drum magazine. They also seize evidence of the freak-offs, electronic devices that contain images and videos of the freak-offs with multiple victims. And they seize cases and cases of the kinds of personal lubricant and baby oil that Combs' staff allegedly used to stock hotel rooms for the freak-offs, more than 1,000 bottles.
The prosecutors claim that in the leaked call, Diddy instructed his son to take care of witnesses, using the cryptic term pizza boxes to refer to them. He also allegedly mentioned incriminating recordings, calling them plastic, adding another layer of difficulty to his defense.
When Kim lived on 70th something Street, and I would go upstairs with Diddy, you could hear the shit in the hallway. And I would just shake my head when he come out or whatever, and Kim would be in the house. And it's always about where she was at or who she was dealing with.
Diddy's growing desperation seems tied to the mounting evidence against him, including recordings that allegedly show him in intimate relations with minors. Despite being aware that his communications are monitored, he has reportedly attempted to contact witnesses, highlighting his panic. Compounding his troubles, 8 tapes have allegedly been handed over to the FBI by a close associate of his late ex-wife, Kim Porter. Additionally, a document purportedly authored by Kim Porter has surfaced, reportedly detailing Diddy's alleged crimes.
Tupac was the threat, which is why they got rid of him first. Biggie was symptomatic of that, because they needed Biggie to die to create the realness around the story of the East Coast, West Coast.
Diddy is reportedly making frantic efforts to conceal these tapes, allegedly contacting individuals he suspects might have them in an attempt to silence them. In his desperation, he is said to have paid other inmates to use their phone privileges, hoping to avoid being recorded. However, he seemingly overlooked the fact that all prison calls are legally monitored, as inmates have no reasonable expectation of privacy. As a result, Diddy's conversations are not protected under the Fourth Amendment, further deepening his legal troubles.
Another death in the world of music today. The founder of Uptown Records passed. Ansrii.
Even without the tapped calls, Diddy's downfall appears unavoidable. The same tapes he allegedly used to intimidate his victims are now in the hands of the FBI, liberating these individuals from his influence. Multiple witnesses Diddy contacted have come forward, reporting his illegal calls to authorities. Some have also disclosed that individuals close to Diddy approached them, offering money in exchange for their silence. Allegedly, one minor was offered $100 million for possessing the original tape of the infamous freak-off, further intensifying the gravity of the case.